How to transfer Google Photos to another account. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Google Photos. Now keep holding your photo until these menus pop up. Now select your photo and tap on share. You can tap on create link. Now after the link is copied, you can share it to other person. You can also tap on source button. Now type their person email. Select the email and tap on next. Now tap on send to send the photos you selected. So by following this simple step, you can transfer Google Photos to another account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.